Hi everyone, I am from Rigrop.com and today we are visiting at Kolte Patil Raga project which is located off Hannur Road, Bangalore. So friends, this is the main connecting road in front of the project and here is the main entrance gate. So now we'll give you the interior view of a sample flat. So this is the view of living room with attached balcony. As you can see, the apartment is skillfully designed with fantastic interior work. So here comes the balcony area. So this is the view of the spacious balcony. Now this is the dining hall. And here comes the kitchen area. So friends, this is the view of the modular kitchen with separate utility area. Now this is the first bedroom. And here is the wardrobe section. Now this is the view of master bedroom. As you can see, it is beautifully designed with wardrobe fitting on the both sides. And this is an attached washroom with this master bedroom. This project is built across 6.70 acres of land and it comprises of 590 number of units. It carries 12 number of towers with 14 floors each. It's a ready to move project and it offers 2 and 3 BHK residential apartments. Now we are moving towards the clubhouse. So this is the way towards clubhouse. And here you can see the swimming pool. So as you can see, the project is beautifully designed with various amenities for the comfort of the residents. Now this is the interior view of clubhouse. And this is the multi-purpose hall. Now this is the view of gymnasium. Now this is the exterior view of the project, that is Kolte Patil Raga. So this is the whole society. Now here comes the kids playing area. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel. And for site visits and booking, kindly call us at the given number. Thank you.